Hi, I'm Kathryn Keane, and I am one of the TSU or Tax Season Update instructors for the National Association of Tax Professionals. Very proud member going back quite a few years, and which I don't understand how I could be a member for over 30 years if I'm only 28 years old, but that's beside the point. I've been given the honor of presenting this year the Are You Ready for Tax Season webinar, and it comes to you live in January and on demand for the rest of the year. And it's an exciting uh, webinar because we kind of look at what we've learned since we were in the classrooms and webinars and TaxCon in the fall, with the what if questions that people got in that class, as well as additional guidance from the Internal Revenue Service. And there's been some revisions on the forms that will impact our business, and along with a couple of other things that have come up. So it's an exciting class. And I'm very often asked who should take this class, and it's really anyone who's doing tax returns for a fee. And that's when I say tax returns, I mean 1040s and entities, partnerships, corporations, some trust, because these are the people that there's just so many things happening, and the IRS is an organic organization, so they're constantly spitting out new guidance, and so we've got to just stay on top of it. And this is a great way to kind of polish up what we know moving forward. We're going to take the knowledge that we got during this last year and put it in a practical sense. How do we do this in the tax office? Because I own and operate my own income tax business in Brooklyn, so I have entirely too many clients. So I deal with the true life ramifications of this, and I can share that with you online in the webinar, whether you're there live or on demand, so that you can not only know what the new rule is or the new guidance is, but how do you use it in your office? And I'm hoping that those two things are going to be the most valuable for our learners.